Tourism Minister emphasizes on collective efforts at ABTO webinar on cross-border tourism.
मैं आपसे ये आग्रह करूंगा, मेरे सिद्धांत में, मेरी नीति में ये है, कमियां पता चलनी चाहिए ताकि हम उन्हें दूर कर सकें। मैं आपसे निवेदन करता हूं, मंत्री होने के नाते, कि आप जरूर मेरे डायरेक्ट मेल पर भेजिए, मैं उसको अन्यथा नहीं लूंगा। हम आकर्षण के लिए हमें कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है। आकर्षण के तमाम कारण भारत की धरती पर मौजूद है। हमें सिर्फ इसकी चिंता करनी चाहिए कि वो उनके आने में व्यवधान कहाँ है। उन व्यवधानों को दूर करना हम सबकी जिम्मेदारी है, उस पर सरकार की भी जिम्मेदारी है, आपकी भी जिम्मेदारी उतनी बनती है।
To inform the trade more about the Andaman Islands, Faraway Tree Hospitality organizes a virtual tour on Friday the 24th of July 2020 at 11 a.m. EHTTOA discusses its recent MOU signing with its Bangladesh counterpart.
As soon as post-COVID travel gets normalized, we believe that people from across the borders from these two countries are going to venture into each other's territory, and is going to support the tourism industry at large. Because Siliguri is so strategically located, we believe that cross-border tourism is going to be the future for the next 1 year.
Welcome to W Marriott New Delhi. It's an honor and pleasure to have you here with us. In the event space, this desk is used exclusively for check-in of guests who are coming for a wedding or a convention space, so that the check-ins are quick and smooth and fast. They are away from the main check-in area of the hotel. So this is the Grand Crystal Ballroom. This is our largest meeting space in the hotel, and it's also one of the largest event spaces in the city of New Delhi. This is the dining facility in the gallery room, and like I mentioned, you've taken the dining experience to the next level. Absolutely. You will no longer see bulky saffron dishes. All of them have been replaced by these customized wooden tables with inbuilt heating pads and very, very small containers of food. The reason why we've kept them small, because we wanted to get over so the fresh replenishment of food can keep coming along.